Excuse me. Do you speak English?
Sometimes, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Can I offer you some chocolate? Аналар сатып жүр деп ойлап қалған сияқты, маған қазір басқаша айту керек. I'm a blogger from Kazakhstan, and yeah, I offer people to try Kazakhstani chocolate. Would you like some? Would you like to try? Okay. Мұсылмандардың ауызы ораза, сол үшін мен шетелдіктерді таңдауға тырысып жатырмын.
I actually have this exact same chocolate. I work in Abu Dhabi at New York University.
Okay.
And we have actually a lot of students from Kazakhstan, and she's brought me so many with like as long as this is the same one, but it's the bar. I'm from Pennsylvania in the U.S.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
I'm from Almaty in Kazakhstan. I don't know if you know the cities.
Yeah. No, actually, well, for Eid, I was actually planning to go to Kazakhstan, to either Almaty or Astana, but those plans are canceled, so I'm going to stay in the UAE.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights.
Sure.
You sure you don't want to take chocolate?
Yeah, I will definitely take chocolate, and incredibly good chocolate too, which I've told a lot of my friends about. Because whenever you think